Using ZDesigner driver version 5.x to send firmware to your printer. If you have ZDesigner driver version 5.x installed, follow this procedure. If you have the ZDesigner driver version 8.x installed, see our video on installing with that option. You can use the ZDesigner driver to send a file to your Zebra printer without installing additional software or utilities. On your Windows PC, navigate to Devices and Printers. There's more than one way to get there, but for this example, we'll click Start, Control Panel, Devices and Printers. Right-click on your printer model with the ZDesigner driver and then select Printing Preferences. Click on the Tools tab. Under the command type, select Action. Under the command name, select the Send File option. Click on the ellipses and point to the location and name of the file you want to send. Once the correct file name and path are displayed, click Send. With larger files, the data light will continue to flash until the file is complete. It's very important that you allow the firmware download process to complete before taking any system or printer action. Interrupting the printer during a firmware download could cause unexpected consequences. Once the download is complete, there are verification and decompression steps that may occur without any indication. Wait for the printer to restart and print a configuration label. You can confirm the new firmware version on the configuration label. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other videos on how to use your ZT230 printer. Like and subscribe for more.